When storage is tight, a smart remodel might make all the difference. Remodeling a small bathroom may seem like a minor project, but it can transform your home's functionality and style. With over 46 years of remodeling experience, we've seen how the right approach can turn even the tiniest bathroom into a stylish, efficient space. And here's the thing, this information will help you no matter which contractor you work with. Our goal is to give you practical advice you can use to plan better and avoid common mistakes. In this video, we'll cover what influences the cost of a small bathroom remodel, what you can expect to spend, how long the process usually takes, and the pitfalls you'll want to avoid. As usual, don't forget to like and subscribe. The cost of a small bathroom remodel depends on three main things: the size of your bathroom, the scope of your project, and the materials you choose. A 5x7 bathroom is considered standard small, but if your space is larger, costs increase. A cosmetic update like new paint and fixtures will be more affordable than moving plumbing or knocking down walls. And finally, your materials matter. Luxury tile and premium finishes raise the price, while smart choices in color and texture can create a big visual impact without breaking the bank. Now let's talk actual numbers. It's easy to assume a smaller space equals a smaller budget, but that's not always the case. Here's a general breakdown. A budget remodel typically runs $15,000 to $22,000. A mid-range remodel falls between $22,000 and $30,000, and a high-end remodel with custom layouts and premium finishes often starts at $30,000 and up, especially if you're moving walls. These prices reflect a true remodel, removing old materials and replacing them with new. Cosmetic updates like repainting or swapping hardware will cost less, and they're not included in these ranges. Of course, budget isn't the only thing homeowners care about. Timeline is just as important. A small bathroom remodel is often completed in just a few days, but the timing depends heavily on planning and materials. The planning and design stage takes a couple appointments to finalize layout, finishes, and the budget. Then comes the lead time, ordering materials and scheduling, which can take up to 12 weeks as a ballpark. You can check out our other video on lead times for more information. Once everything's ready, demolition usually takes a day or two, and active construction runs about 1 to 2, maybe 3 days for a mid-range project. Add in finishing touches, and you're enjoying your new bathroom before you know it. Unfortunately, small bathroom remodels are also where homeowners make the most mistakes, so let's cover a few to avoid. One big mistake is underestimating costs. Hidden issues like outdated plumbing or water damage can add up fast, so always build in a 10 to 15% contingency fund. Another is rushing the planning phase. Jumping in without clear selections leads to delays and last-minute changes. Homeowners also forget to account for material lead times. If you've got your heart set on something specific, plan ahead so it doesn't stall the project. And finally, skipping the detailed contract. Without one, you risk confusion about scope, deadlines, or cost. Always make sure everything is spelled out in writing before demo begins. So, what's the best way to approach a small bathroom remodel? Start by hiring a contractor experienced in small bathrooms. They'll know how to work around the challenges of tight spaces. Look through project galleries for inspiration and create a list of your must-haves versus your nice-to-haves. That way you can prioritize your budget where it matters most. And finally, plan for the timeline we covered earlier so you know what to expect and avoid unnecessary stress. Remodeling a small bathroom can feel intimidating, but with the right plan, it's one of the most rewarding upgrades you can make. To help you choose the right company, we've created a remodeling company comparison guide. It's packed with questions to ask and space to compare contractor answers. And if you're ready to get started, schedule a consultation with our team today. We'll help you design a bathroom that maximizes every inch of your space. A small bathroom remodel may be compact, but the results can be huge for your comfort and your home's value. Smart choices today lead to a home you'll love tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and always remember to dream big and remodel smart.